Want to study in the UK but confused about student visa process? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the UK student visa requirements and step-by-step application process. I'll also share the latest rule changes most students don't know yet, so you do not get stuck. Stick with me till the end for pro tips and mistakes to avoid that could literally save your visa. Before we dive in, I have a quick motivation for you all. The UK is home to some of the world's top universities. You'll experience a multicultural life, strong networks, and potentially post-study work options. And yes, this visa path is more streamlined now. E-visa, online processes with clear timelines. So let's move from dreaming to applying. Step 1. Secure your unconditional offer from a UK university. Once you accept it, the university issues your CAS, which stands for Certificate of Acceptance for Studies. CAS is unique. It includes the CAS number, course details, and sponsor information. Universities usually charge a small admin fee for issuing CAS. CAS is valid for about 6 months, so time matters. Without CAS, you cannot apply for visa. As simple as that. Step 2. Know what they expect. Here are the must-have eligibility criteria and documents. You must be 16 or older, hold a valid passport or travel document, prove English language ability unless your university accepts you. Show financial evidence to cover course fees and living expenses. If your course is in sensitive tech, maybe an ATAS certificate. If you're under 18, parental consent plus care arrangements are needed. Documents to prepare: CAS letter, passport plus copies, bank statements and sponsor letters, English tests or exemption proof, academic transcripts and certificates, passport size photos, any previous visa history, and ATAS if needed. I have a pro tip for you all. Always keep both digital and physical copies. Use a folder or cloud drive. Do not miss anything. Step 3. Go online and get it done. You can apply up to 6 months before course starts. Fill in the student visa form via gov.uk. Pay the visa application fees, which is currently £524. Also, pay the immigration health surcharge. For student visas, it's about £776 per year. Submit all your documents with application. Just last month, a student was stopped at Hyderabad airport because of forged documents. Don't let that be you. Pro tip: use a reliable internet connection, save progress, and double check every field before hitting submit. Step 4. Identify verification time. Your application includes a biometrics appointment where they'll take your photo and fingerprints. You'll get a slot at a visa application center near you. Bring your original passport, appointment confirmation, and any extra documents you were asked for. Electronic visas became mandatory from January 2025. After biometrics, you might be asked for extra evidence. Respond fast and stay organized. Step 5. Decision stage. Most student visa applications are decided in 3 weeks if applying from outside the UK. Once accepted, you'll get an e-visa or vignette stamped in your passport. Link your travel document to your UK6 account to view your permission online. Note: do not travel to the UK before your visa start date. If your course is 6+ months, you may arrive up to 1 month early. For shorter courses, up to 1 week early. Step 6. It's time to fly. Check all travel documents, start date, and airport requirements. On arrival, you'll need to collect your BRP, biometric residence permit, from a designated post office, usually within 10 days of arrival. Before classes begin, register with your university. Open a bank account, get a local phone and a SIM plan. Register with the GP and know your work rights. And note: do not overstay your visa. Visa overstays can lead to serious consequences. Before we wrap, here are 2025 updates and key tips to keep in mind. Higher living cost, evidence required. London students now need to show £1,450 per month. Elsewhere, £1,125 per month, 9 months as a proof. Only PhD and research students can bring dependents under new rules. Graduate visa duration may be reduced, example 18 months instead of 2 years under new policy proposals. Don't cut corners. Fake documents are strictly detected. One student in 2025 was held at Hyderabad airport for forged visa documents. I've got some quick Gen Z tips for you. Screenshot everything. You never know what you'll need as a proof. Keep a visa folder in Google Drive. plus phone. Use a cool but professional name for your visa files. Join student groups for visa hacks and peer help. The UK is calling. Let's get you there. That's your full up-to-date walkthrough on applying for a UK student visa. If you found this helpful, drop your country plus questions. I'll reply with specific visa guidance. Got questions? Ask in the comments. I'll help you out. Also, grab your free UK visa checklist PDF from the links in the description. Your UK journey starts here. See you there.